Hi friends, my name is Achyut and I am from Vizag. So today in this class, we will try to solve another job problem, right? So in the previous class, we had discussed about the peak element in the array, right? So in this class, we will try to solve another Java problem, right? So let's not waste the time. Let's get into the class. So as you see, I have written the problem statement, right? So let's read the problem statement. So the problem statement is given two sorted arrays A and B of size n and m. So user has to take two sorted arrays which is A and B. So A is having size of n and B is having size of m. Right? The task is to merge both the arrays into the single array in non-decreasing order. Right? Which means, for example, so I'm having n value as 3, right? I'm having n value as 3. So I will insert in the A array, I will insert 1, 2, 3, right? I'm inserting in the A array 1, 2, and 3. And we are having m value which is 3 again. And in the B array, I will insert 6, 5, 4, right? So now the task is we have to take another array C, right? And we have to merge both the arrays. So what are the elements which are present in A and what are the elements which are present in B, right? So all these elements we have to insert in this C array, right? So after inserting all the arrays, we will get 1, 2, 3, 6, 5, 4, right? So we have to insert the values of A and B into the C array, right? So after inserting, we'll get this array. So after that, we have to sort this C array, right? For that, we have to use arrays dot sort, right? Right. So after sorting, we will get C is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, right? After sorting, we'll get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? So these 6, 5, 4 also will be sorted, right? So at last, we have to print this whole sorted array, right? So finally, we have to print C, right? I hope you understand, right? So first of all, I have taken n value 3, right? And I have taken the array A and I have taken 3 values 1, 2, 3. And again, I have taken 3 and I have given 3 values which is 6, 5, 4, right? So I have taken another array. So where I have to insert values of A and values of B. Both A array and B array value should be inserted into the C array, right? So after inserting, I will get 1, 2, 3, 6, 5, 4. So after that, I have to sort this C array, right? So after sorting, I'll get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So at last, I have to print it, right? So this is the problem statement. So this is what we have to do, right? I hope you understand the question. Let's write the code, right? So I have written import java.util.star. Why we have to write? Because we have to use scanner class, right? So the scanner class will be present in this util package. So that's why I have written this import java.util.star. So I have written the main statement, which is public static void main string args, right? So here first I will take scanner sc is equal to new scanner system.in, right? So first of all, I will take int n is equal to sc dot next int, right? I have taken the n value. So after that, I have to take the array, right? So I am taking the a as the array, which is int square brackets and variable a is equal to new int of size n. So whatever the size which we have, we have to give, right? The user has to give, right? So that much of size should have to this a array, right? So after that, I will traverse on this array, right? And I will give a of I is equal to sc dot next int, right? So we have to take the inputs, right? We have to take the inputs until n, and we have to insert in this a array, right? So we have taken n and we have taken a array and we have inserted the user inputs in the a array, right? So after that, I have to take int m, which is sc dot next int, right? The first one is n and second one is m. And after that, I have to take b array, the same thing I have to perform, right? So new int of size m, right? Right? So after that, I have to take the for loop, right? So same thing. So whatever I'm doing to the A array, the same thing I have to do the I have to do to the B array, right? So after that, I have to take C array, right? C array is equal to new int of size n plus m. So why I'm writing n plus m? So here we have to insert both A array and the B array, right? So that's why we have to get the size of n and m, right? So by adding n plus m, we'll get the 6 as the size, right? 3 plus 3 is 6, right? So first of all, I have to insert the A array values in the C, right? We start from int I is equal to 0, I less than n, and I plus plus, right? So first we have to insert the A values. So whatever the A values which I will give C. So whatever the A values, first I have to insert in this C, right? So this is what I'm doing. So in the C array, C of I is equal to A of I. So whatever the values which are present in A of I will be inserted into this C of I, right? So after that, I will take another for loop, which int I is equal to 0, I less than m, and I plus plus, right? So here I will write C of I plus n is equal to B of I, right? So why I'm writing I plus 1 here? Because see here it will start from I is equal to 0 to n minus 1, right? Right? See here, we are writing I less than n. So which means it has to travel from I is equal to 0 to n minus 1, right? So first 0 to n minus 1 right? 0 to n minus 1 values will be inserted. So whatever the values which are present in A array, so those values will be inserted into this C array, which starts from index 0 to n minus 1. So after n minus 1, so what is the after n minus 1, what will be the value index is n. So after n minus 1, we'll get n, right? From n, we have to insert the b values. I hope you understand. From 0 to n minus 1, we will insert a values. From n to rest of the values will be inserted, right? N to rest of the values will be inserted, right? So from n to rest of the values. So what are the rest of the values? B values. So first we have inserted a values, and after that we have to insert b values, right? For example, see, first I is equal to 0. So 0 plus n, which is n, right? So in the C of n, I will insert b values, right? So it will start from 0 to n minus 1. So in the n place, I will add the b values. Like b values will be started adding from the n, right? So after that, I value will be incremented, and I value is equal to 1. So which is 1 plus n, right? So like this, it will be incremented, n plus 1, n plus 2, so on. The b values will be inserted, right? I hope you understand. So first we have inserted a values, and after that continuation we have inserted the b values. I hope you understand why we have written I plus n, because here it will start from 0 to n, and we have 0 to n minus 1, right, which is less than n, right? So we should not consider n. So after that, all the b values will be inserted, which is starting from the index n, right? n plus 1, n plus 2. So all these values will be inserted in this C of I plus n. So after inserting a and b values, we have to sort the C, and I will call the function, or otherwise I will just call the C function, right? So here I will call the function C, right? So here I will write the function, which is public static void function, right? So in this I'll take the C array, right? I'll take the C array, right? Or C. So here I will just traverse on the C array, which starts from int I is equal to 0, I less than array dot length, and I plus plus, right? So here I will just print that air of I plus, and I will give some space, right? So we have sorted it, and I am just printing it, right? And now I will just run it, start debugging, right? So here I will take ARR, right? So I am writing ARR of dot length, right? So I will just take the variable ARR, right? So I will just run this, program again, start debugging, right? So now we are having no errors. So first I will give 3, and I will give 1, 2, and 3. So I have given n value 3, and I have given 3 values 1, 2, 3, and I will give m value, which is 3, and here I will give 6, 5, and 4, right? So then we have to get the output 1, 2, 3, and the 4, 5, 6, right? Right? So here I am giving, like I have given the println, right? So that's why we are getting, see, we are getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, right? So I'll just run this program again so that you can understand better, right? The first n value is 3, 1, 2, 3, and I will give m values 3 and just 6, 5, and 4, and I'll click on enter. Now you can see that, see, right, this sorted array, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? I hope you understand, right? So if you have any doubts in this class, just please comment in the chat. I will definitely help you out. And if you think this video is helpful for you, then please like the video and please share this video to your friends and family members so that they can be benefited from this video. And please do subscribe to my channel and please ring the bell icon. Then only you'll get the notification whenever I upload videos in the YouTube, or otherwise you'll not get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.